Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Motorists in Westmoreland say they're at their wits' end over the poor state of the roads in Savlamar. Kimberly Petty has their story.
Watch as this car carefully maneuvers the road as the traffic piles up along the Dunbars River Main Road in Savannah, Westmoreland. Also in traffic, a police vehicle. The person behind the wheel trying hard to avoid the potholes. Motorists say they are frustrated.
I think we keep on for the bypass the truck and vehicle straight every week. I just want to load tire, cars, tire, all engine we cars. So, why I don't know. Down here, so now I get no help, none at all.
I just front end parts are a problem. Believe me, if the government even give it double for the race, if I even 100% raise, it's still not help. I rode them with one and fix it. I best they can do for it.
You mean from Melissa, it's been how much months now? And this road is one of the main thoroughfares in that Westmoreland. And you want to see the traffic during the day, especially school time. When you children go to school here, it's bad, man. It's really, really bad. School time now, the government or the relevant authorities deal with Westmoreland on a whole.
Not too far away is Lewis Street. It's the main thoroughfare for many road users. Motorists believe if it's not fixed urgently, the worst will happen.
Man, everybody are going to lick up, man, one day run us here. Yeah, man, run us need to fix, man, and the government need to fix run us. And the MP they need to step up in us. Any MP where they say, isn't it?
This tour bus operator pointed to the lack of street lights along the bad roads. He says he's fearful, especially at nights.
This is a dangerous road because since Melissa, they haven't put up any street lights. So when you have to almost come to a halt, at night in the dark, no street lights, it's difficult. Anybody can walk up on you and do what they have to do. Unless you plan to mash up your vehicle and drive high speed through the patrol.
We put the issue to Member of Parliament for Central Westmoreland, Dwayne Vaz. He cited insufficient funds as for the main reason for the delay in getting the roads fixed.
Well, as we know, the roads were bad before Hurricane Melissa. They got worse after Hurricane Melissa. But what we have been able to do is to do some level of patching on the main roads, especially that part coming into Savlamar. So we did some work in the Landala area, we did some work on the Farm Pen area, some work in Strathbogie, and some work in Smithfield. Let me explain more about Strathbogie though. The funding that we got was not sufficient. So therefore we were able to patch a section in Torrington, but the section in front of the Unity Primary School coming down to Dunbars River, that section was not patched.
He made this appeal to the NWA.
So we're calling on the National Works Agency. We have been in dialogue with them. We have heard that a new patching program should start in the new financial year. So we're expecting to address those additional issues in that patching.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
Now, the National Works Agency, NWA, says it's in the final stages of a major road rehabilitation program across Westmoreland following significant damage caused by Hurricane Melissa. The agency adds that the project is valued at $45.7 million.